And let's look at this second file, which is jquery.js. So I'm going to click on the bar in order to get a blown up perspective here. So even though we have the same kinds of bars here, their size is a whole lot different. And the amount of time it took this to download is much higher, 388 milliseconds compared to 120 or so in our index file. The biggest bar here is content download, and then our second biggest is the waiting. If we look at the number here, the waiting, or the time to first byte, is about the same as it was for our index file. That's because every file is going to have to reach out to the server and get a message back before it can start downloading. And that time will always be about the same if the server doesn't have to actually create that file or do some processing on its end before it sends us the file. Now we didn't have an initial connection here, which was the orange bar that we saw if we exit out of this right here. And just to be clear, what we're looking at here is a smaller version of what we're seeing when we click on it to see a bigger version.